Today, I'll walk you through how to make a Power BI dashboard public, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to publish your dashboard online so you can share your insights with anyone anywhere. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This is where you'll create and manage your reports. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same across versions. Now, from the Home ribbon, locate the Publish button. Click on it to initiate the publishing process. This step is crucial, as it allows you to share your work with the world just like sending a postcard to your friends, but in a digital format. Next, you will be prompted to choose your workspace. Select My Workspace from the options available. This is your personal space within Power BI where all your reports are stored. Once you've selected your workspace, click Open with the file name of the report you want to publish. This action will open a new window where you can continue the process. In this new window, click on File in the upper left corner. This is where you will find the options to embed your report. Now look for the option that says Embed this report. Click on it. This is an important step that allows you to make your report accessible to the public. Think of it as unlocking a door to your insights. Next, choose Publish to Web Public. This option will enable anyone with the link to view your report. After selecting this, a pop-up window will appear. Click Continue to proceed. Finally, click Publish. This will finalize the process of making your dashboard public. Once published, you will have the option to copy and share the URL of your published report. This link is your gateway for sharing your insights with others, similar to handing out a business card with your contact information. And there you have it, you've successfully made your Power BI dashboard public. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.